Hey, Jack, do you want to go to the gym today?
Yes, I think so. What time are you thinking?
How about 6 p.m.? We can go after work.
6 p.m. sounds good to me. Not too early, not too late.
Yes, we can eat a light snack before we go.
Good idea. Are we doing cardio or weights today?
Let's start with some cardio. Maybe 20 minutes on the treadmill?
Okay, I like the treadmill. It's a good warm-up.
After that, we can go to the weights section.
Yes, I want to do chest and shoulder exercises today.
Nice. Sounds like a good plan.
Do you want to walk to the gym or drive?
Let's walk. It's not far from here, and walking is a good warm-up.
I agree. We can also talk while we walk.
Yes, and don't forget to bring your water bottle.
I won't. I put it in my bag already. What about you?
I have mine ready too, and I'll bring my gym card.
Perfect. Do you want to meet outside your building?
Yes, let's meet at the front door at 6 p.m.
All right. I'll be there on time.
Great. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It's always better to work out together.
Totally. See you at 6 p.m., Jack.
See you later, Emma.
Wow, it's a little busy today.
Yes, a lot of people are here. I guess everyone wants to get fit.
Yes, maybe it's because the weekend is coming. Shall we start with the treadmill?
Good idea. The treadmills are free now. Let's go.
Okay, I'll run for 15 minutes. That's enough for me.
I'll run too. Let me press Quick Start on the screen.
Don't forget to drink water before you start.
Yes, I brought my water bottle. What about you?
Me too. I have mine in my bag.
Great. Ready?
Ready? Let's go. Whew, I'm finished. My legs are tired already.
Same here. That was a good warm-up.
Yes. Now, let's go to the weights section.
Sure. I want to do some chest exercises.
I want to use the dumbbells. Where are they?
They're over there, next to the big mirror.
Thanks. I'll start with some arm curls.
Nice. I'll use the bench press for a bit.
How many sets are you doing?
Maybe 3 sets. Not too heavy today.
Sounds good. I'll do the same.
Hey, Emma. How are you doing with the weights?
I'm good. I just finished my arm curls.
Nice. How many sets did you do?
I did 3 sets of 10. My arms feel tired now.
That's a good workout. I just finished my last set too.
Great. Let's stretch after this, okay?
Yes, stretching is important. I don't want sore muscles tomorrow.
Me neither. Just 5 minutes of stretching is fine for me.
Agreed. We can stretch near the mats.
Perfect. Then we can shower and go home.
Yes, and I'm already getting hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat much before the gym.
Let's get something healthy to eat after this.
Like a smoothie or a salad?
Yes, smoothie sounds perfect right now.
Gym, then food? I love this combo.
I like it too. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Same time next week?
Let's do it.
That was a good workout.
Yes, I feel great. A little tired, but happy.
Same here. My arms are still shaking a little.
That means you worked hard. Well done.
Thanks. So, are we getting smoothies now?
Yes, do you know a place nearby?
Yes, there's a smoothie shop just around the corner.
Perfect. Let's walk there.
Okay, what smoothie are you going to get?
Maybe strawberry and banana. You?
I think I'll get mango. I love mangoes.
Mango is good. I had it last time.
Do you want to sit there or take it to go?
Let's sit for a bit. We can rest and talk.
Sounds nice. We earned it.
Yes, we did. Workout, then smoothie, best combo.
Let's go. I'm thirsty now. Mmm, this smoothie is so good.
Yes, I like mine too. Very fresh.
What flavor did you get again?
Strawberry and banana. It's my favorite.
Nice choice. I got mango. It's sweet and cold. Perfect after the gym.
Yes, it's a great way to cool down.
Do you come here often?
Not really. Maybe once a month. What about you?
I've been here a few times. I like the drinks here.
The place is quiet too. I like that.
Yes, it's nice to sit and rest for a bit.
How do you feel after the workout?
Tired, but good. I think I'll sleep well tonight.
Me too. We worked hard today.
Yes, I'm happy we came. Let's do this again next week.
For sure. Gym and smoothies. It's our new routine.
Deal. That smoothie was really good.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot. Thanks for the idea.
You're welcome. I'm glad we went.
Me too. Today was fun. Gym and smoothie. A great mix.
Yes, it felt good to exercise and relax after.
Now I just want a shower and some rest.
Same here. My legs are tired.
But in a good way, right?
Yes, in a good way. I feel strong.
That's the best part of working out.
True. Oh, look, we're almost at my building.
That was a nice walk. The evening air feels cool.
Yes, it's peaceful now. A good way to end the day.
All right, I'll see you next time.
Yes, Same day next week?
You got it. Don't forget your water bottle again.
I won't. Thanks again, Jack.
Anytime. Good night, Emma.
Good night.